sleepover in progress. If you've got a big family or kids with friends who are constantly sleeping over, you could always use the extra spot to sleep. And with TREKOLOGY Airbed Pro, you get just that, an extra sleeping spot.
It inflates in just 1.5 minutes thanks to the built-in high-efficiency DC pump, which, by the way, stays stored right inside the mattress, so you'll never be rummaging around looking for it. And yes, it absolutely holds its firmness through the night. No sagging, no mid-sleep deflation drama. The mattress is 8 inches and can hold up to 660 pounds. It's made from puncture-resistant PVC, so whether it's for a house guest sleepover or the great outdoors, it's built to last. And yes, I tested it. Jumping Child and Dramatic Adult Fluff approved. The pump is a star of its own. It detaches, charges via USB-C, and comes with universal nozzles, so you can inflate pool flats, toys, even your camping pillow. It inflates and deflates, and it all tucks right into the mattress, so it's always where you need it. It floats down easily and fits back into its carry bag, which comes with backpack straps for easy travel. Whether you're storing it at home or heading out for camping, it's compact and portable. From living room sleepovers to weekends under the stars, the mattress is comfy, practical, and way more versatile than you'd expect from something that fits in a backpack.